Hello everybody, this is Sonia here and I'm in Australia. I'm waving the camera around here everywhere. Sorry about that. Trying to make a space here. I've got fluff everywhere. So it's really still hot. We're still hot. It's going to be 30 something today. Sorry for that, it's needling. That's terrible. I'm so sorry. Look what I've got. I've got love from Kentucky. Smile, it's Happy Mail. I will smile, Happy Mail. And it's from Laurie and Dave Nelter, and that is in Kentucky. Yes, all good. Thank you so much. I'm wondering if I can just cut the end of this without causing too much problems. I'm going to go along here with this little thing. Oh, I don't know. Laurie, I probably know who you are. I've probably seen you. I probably don't know who you are, but it's very nice of you to enter in my challenge. I have a lot of subscribers and I cannot tell you who they all are because if I did, it's just not possible. Wow, look at this. Oh, good. Oh, goodies. Oh, nice presentarial. Thank you so much. And she's got a ticket stuck around there. Oh, this fabric's cool, isn't it? I think that's sitting up there. I'll put it back on the parcel in here. Here we got here. It says Lou Smith. Lou. I thought it said Laurie. Sorry. L-O-R-I. Oh yes, it does say that too. Sorry, Laurie. I've got a bit of sticker tape on here. If I don't keep this off the floor, it'll get stuck to my foot. It always does. Usually does. Oh, this is not. Oh, thank you so much. Look at this. Wow. Oh dear. What's in here? We'll have a look in here first. See what's in here. All these little stickers. Made a pocket for me out of fabric. Thank you. And sent me all this. Oh, all this lovely stuff. I've got flowers everywhere. Look at these. Aren't they beautiful? Thank you. Says, hang on, I might read the letter. Hey, let's read the letter so we'll know what's going on. Okay, dear Sonia, my heart just was hurting when I listened to your video. Oh dear, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry about upsetting people. I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to hurt anybody. Okay, I'll have to read this later, but I know that I really appreciate all your loving messages and things. So you've sent me fruit smoothies and fruit of your choice, banana, strawberry, yogurt, honey, ice cubes, and put them in a blender. Thank you, I got a good recipe. And thank you so much for your lovely pieces of paper, for these beautiful papers. Keep this card by your computer, and when you get sad, read the words on the front. Be happy, you are wonderful. Lady with a loving heart, bless you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Thank you. I really do. Thank you so much. I'm all being silly now. I'm so sorry. Thank you so much, darling. I really appreciate that. Thank you. We'll read that letter from you later. I'm making a fool of myself again. Sorry. Oh, look, you made me some of these. Thank you so much. Oh, look at that. I like them. I've never tried a pinwheel before. And I've got a little ruler. Isn't this cute? Oh, and there's a dear little thing. I'll be able to make tiny little bits with that, won't I? Thank you so much for this, Laurie. That's so kind of you. Oh, and I have a piece of embossed with hearts on it. Nice piece of embossed card. There's another flower, so that might have fell out. I've got stars on a piece of ribbon. Oh wow, look at that. That's really neat, isn't it? This is like a velvety thing. That's cool. I'll have to find something different and interesting to do with that, won't I? And this is some red. That's really neat too, isn't it? Thank you so much. That's like a velvety one as well. It's sort of plasticky velvet, but it's a really good idea, you know. That is really good. It's absolutely beautiful. And I've got more of these pieces, so she sent me 3 of these. embossed pieces that all go together, these pieces of paper. That's really nice, and I've got new bits of ribbon and a really nice piece of fabric here which I can undo the little stickers off it, and I can use this, you know, to make flowers and that with. I will be doing that. Okay, thank you so much. And I've got this piece. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at that. Love the colour, and it's so soft. Thank you so much for this. This is beautiful. It's probably like a bottom of a dress or something. It is absolutely lovely. Isn't that beautiful? Thank you so much for that, Laurie. That's lovely. And I got bees. Oh dear, look at this. All butterflies. Bees and butterflies. Oh, look at that. Thank you so much. Oh, I'll be able to put that in my book. And this piece too that it came in, look, this is really cool. I don't know, but I think that this looks to me like it's probably going for the retro style, you know, the old-fashioned pieces of fabric, which is really good because I'm actually looking out for things like that as well, because I'm putting together a book with really old, well, not really old, but sort of retro style fabric and like the way that they did the images then. So this is so lovely. Thank you so much, Laurie, and I so appreciate all your lovely gifts to me. Thank you so much, darling. That is very kind of you, and I'll look at your little letter after. And okay. Thank you so much, darling. That is so kind, and I feel a bit funny, and I don't know why. Anyway, I'm good. I'm good. Thank you so much. Thank you, darling. I'm really good. I don't know how you got all that in a little envelope. Because I just managed to just unroll it, and it doesn't look like it's going to go back in there. So I'll be getting one of my plastic bags here if I can find them, and I will, and I'll be putting it in that. So thank you everybody for watching, and we'll catch up with you later.